Caboose! The caboose, or cabin car, is always the last rail car on a freight train. A freight train transports goods or cargo, like this one that's carrying buses, construction equipment, and even pipes. Most cabooses are dark red, but sometimes they can be yellow, white, or blue. From the 1830s till the 1980s, all freight trains in the United States had a caboose, because the caboose was needed to keep the trains running safely. Before the invention of computers, nearly all of the jobs on a freight train had to be done by hand, by people, including stopping the train and switching it from track to track. The caboose was the place on a freight train where the crew could rest and relax. The crew could also easily exit the train to operate the switches, check to make sure that the freight was secure, and that the train was running safely. Cabooses are shaped like boxcars, and all cabooses had ladders. Train crews climbed up them to walk from railcar to apply the brakes to stop the train. Most cabooses also had an area called the cupola. Do you notice that the cupola is a bit higher than the other rail cars on a freight train? This allowed crew members to see all of the other freight cars and make sure they were safe. Nowadays, computers do most of the jobs that the train crews once performed, so the cabooses are no longer needed. Can you draw a caboose? Let's try! First, draw a big rectangle like this. Now, let's add the cupola and, of course, some crew members. Don't forget those ladders and those wheels. Send your caboose to education@sdmrm.org, and the San Diego Model Railroad Museum will share it on their Facebook page. Oh, and one more thing. Make sure to give your caboose a name. Follow us on YouTube and hit the subscribe button for our weekly uploads.